Weche mamoko en kanyo ni duol mochung'ne kedo ne ratich oganda pacho kaendi kotelo kuom jakom gi Clarice Oganga oyango ne oganda jo Kenya mane yudo hinyruok kaachiel kod mago eko ma bende nowito joheragi e kinde bende ng'anyo ne dhi nyime thur kaendi mondo ndikre e yor mbui kata chopo achiel kachiel e apisi mag duol no endo mondo koro miyo ndikre ne chenro mag chudo mag oganda go eko ma igeto tim pacho kaendi tok thuolo machuok. Familia kaachiel kod wede ma bende jogi noyudo hinyruok kata nowito ngimagi bende okwa mondo obi ochiw obok mopuodhi kowuok kuom apisas mag obila manyiso ni ne gichiwo ripot e kinde ma bende anyuondgi ne oyudo hinyruok kata ne wito ngimagi.
To all citizens that the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights is currently developing a reparations and compensation framework and also compiling a list of victims who qualify to be compensated in this particular process, as was gazetted by His Excellency the President through the Kenya Gazette notice. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights would like to remind the citizens that in view of the short deadlines that we had been given, we only have up to the 3rd of April to have Kenyans register to be included in the list of victims to be compensated. So this is a reminder for you to come to Kenya National Commission's offices within various parts of this country, but we also have our various social media pages that have provided a lot of information, including a toll-free number where you can call if you want to register your claims through telephone calls. But we urge you to come to our offices because the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights is the only agency that is registering victims that will be included in this particular list. And it is not any other non-governmental or governmental agency that is currently undertaking this process. So because the deadline is 3rd, we only have about a week for you to come and register, and we hope that you can all come out and register because we do not